Build your dream home here on 39.13 acres. This is the perfect location for your cows to graze and your horses to run. 8565 Northwest County Road 0080 is level in the front and has rolling hills in the back part of the acreage. The property is fenced and crossed-fenced, so no extra costs of building one for your livestock. There is a beautiful large soil conservation lake that covers approximately 6.5 acres, according to Navarro CAD. The lake is a great place to spend your weekends, soak up the sun, and do some duck hunting. Come take a look today to breathe in some fresh country air. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 874 0001. That's 903 874 0001.